Hey, sweet friend, it's me. I am so excited that you are joining the Bitmoji world. I think it's going to make things really easy for us, simply because now that I've kind of got a format, I can keep kind of repeating that week after week. And similar to what you've done is here's what we do for art, here's what we do, for music for K4. And so to make it easier for the parent, what I've done on mine was I created these buttons, and I just created this little circle with kindergarten written on it. It says kindergarten practice. And so this is just a shape that's been inserted. But what the big thing is what you want to do is you want to click on this insert link. And when you click on that, it says, do you want to link it to slides in this presentation? Or you could link it to a website. You could link it to one of your paper, one of your letters to parents. And so if you had a URL address, you had shared it and it said, hey, copy the link, you could go paste it right here under link and then just press apply. But since this one I want to actually go to the kindergarten slide, I look over and there we go, there's kindergarten. And so I put 3 and then I press apply. So then when they are in present mode, they will simply just click that button and then it goes straight to where they need to be. So pretty awesome, something to check out. So just kind of putting the buttons. What it needs is, the big thing with it is that it needs something to where they click and then it navigates to wherever you want it to go. And that's it.